This video demonstrates how to install the Scan2x administration application. This application is required to create a new scan template or to create new scan buttons. In this situation, the version of the online database is newer than the version of the installed application. Later in the process, the current application will be updated. You can now log in with your Cloud Workspace Collaboration user credentials. You can log in with your full username or an alias and a PIN code, which you can generate here. An update is available and it's recommended to install this update. The Scan2x administration application is installed. You can now start configuring scan settings, create scan templates or create scan buttons. Note that you need to be a member of the admin scan group in order to use the Scan2x administration application.